how to make an iced strawberry latte in good coffee, great coffee. So the recipe for this one is 2 scoops of ice, 4 strawberry syrup pumps, 4 parts of whole milk, and 2 parts espresso. So of course, you're gonna go ahead and do this in order for better results. So let's go ahead and make our espresso first in the background for, a faster and more efficient process. So if you know how to make espresso already, just go ahead and do that. Get a glass, put in your 2 cups of ice, turn off that espresso machine, go ahead to your strawberry pump and press it on 4 times. Then put in 4 pumps, 4 parts of milk, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then your espresso, and that's pretty much it. But it's that simple on how to make an iced strawberry latte and good coffee, great coffee. So if this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you. My customer is getting a little mad, and what's worse, this isn't even his order. So bye bye.